Check the description for links to supplies in this video.
All right, I've got a recipe idea for you if you're interested. Beautiful smoke coming out of this Weber grill. We've got wood chips mesquite right here, and what I've got going, let's take a peek, is bacon wrapped asparagus. What? You may have heard of like bacon wrapped jalapeno poppers. Well, we're doing it like this, baby. Look how good those look. My system, I've got my charcoal allocated in the middle, and I've got the wood chips there right on top. You can see my mesquite wood chips. I just grab a handful. Once my coals are piping hot, I plop them on, let them start on fire just a little bit, and then I close up the lid, and I've got it cranked. Well, it's closed up now because the temperature is quite hot. But at the beginning, I've got those wide open, and it should get up to 400 degrees, and then you can start to close it down a little bit. But notice they turn to a crisp if they were right above those coals. They're pretty warm. But because they're kind of on the perimeter, they're gonna get a really nice smoky flavor. And I don't move them because I don't want the bacon to unwrap. Bon appetit.